Next up, we got to talk about Game of Thrones, okay? Now, I admit, I got to do a quick disclaimer here. I don't watch Game of Thrones, so I know I'm going to get hate immediately. Like, people are like, you don't talk on it because you don't know. I don't know. But what I do know this. There's a change.org petition, which is now at 885,000. 885,000 signatures. This is not a downvote on a YouTube video. You got to sign up. You got to put your details in and sign the petition. This is a lot of work. They're going to hit 1 million signatures. So this petition claims that the writers on season 8 of Game of Thrones are incompetent. It actually uses that terminology. David Benioff and D.B. Weiss have proven themselves to be woefully incompetent. Oh, man. That's rough. That is rough. I mean, aggressive. Maybe too much. I mean, these guys are just making a show. They're incompetent. Here's the thing. Here's the way I look at it. Coming from a guy, I watched season 1, and then, life, and I just can't. Okay. Anyway, I don't think they could have done anything that would have satisfied everybody. At this point, people have invested so much time. It's just hard to wrap it all up and satisfy all the needs. It's crazy. The thing means so much to so many people, as evidenced by this change.org petition. 1 million, close to 1 million, probably 1 million when you're watching this. 1 million signatures. This is what they're asking, okay? This is what the petition is asking. It's asking that if it hits 1 million signatures, that these guys go back to the drawing board and redo season 8 of the show. Redo it. Like, is that something HBO has ever done? Is that even feasible? They go, okay, we're sorry. Here comes the season 8 you wanted. And then how do they possibly deliver the thing that everybody wants?
It's crazy because the season hasn't even ended yet. So
yeah.
They're just like, we're going to just change everything.
So maybe you can help me here. How many episodes total in the season?
Was it 5 or 6?
5 or 6? Okay, and there's 1 left.
Yep.
So the last episode that happened, something happened that everybody's mad about.
Yeah.
And then this happened immediately after. Some character behaved in such a way that people didn't like. Mm-hmm. I get that. Like, look, I've watched shows in my life, and sometimes I don't like the ending, and sometimes I don't like an episode. But for me, what's interesting about this is just the scale. I mean, it's obviously a very popular show. And then the activity, the volume of individuals prepared to go out of their way to spend their day signing up for a petition to redo the show. Come at me, bro. That's the Night King. I guess this guy's very powerful type of dude. And he's not interested in redoing the show. He did the show already. No spoiler. I don't know. Are we spoiling things right now? I hope not. Anyway, this is a real thing that's happening in 2019. People, they're very upset. All right. And they want, and I truly believe people want what they can't have. Like, I think people want too much. Like I'm saying, I can't imagine the stress involved in trying to write for this show and trying to satisfy the most enthusiastic fan base maybe ever for a show. It's impossible, Will. Like, you watch the show.
Yeah, I enjoy it. But I like most people, I was disappointed with the last episode, but hey, it's a show. You move on with life. That's it.
No, these people, they don't move on. They sign the petition. I don't think, even if this thing hits 1 million, I don't think they're going to remake season 8. Maybe they'll come back and do some alternative universe, a movie or something. I'm not really sure what they can do here, but obviously the fan base is enthusiastic. You do have to appreciate an enthusiastic fan base, right? Like, that's what everybody wants. So But 1 million people on a petition is mind-blowing to me. That's how many people are upset. And I'm sure I'm going to get an education after speaking on this as to why I should also be upset. But I'm like you. I just can't see it. I can't see myself trying to get these poor guys to go back and do it all over again. Like, just a thought. I'm just going to throw something out there. Like, maybe these guys tried their best. Like, maybe it's hard. Maybe making this stuff is hard. And maybe it's enough to say, you know what, that wasn't my favorite. But like to come out and say the guys are incompetent, like they got lives. I mean, they got families, whatever. I don't know. They probably put some effort into this. Could they have done better? Absolutely. Everybody can always do better. But I mean, they got to go collect their paychecks from HBO, and HBO's like, take a look at this. Everybody hates us. And do they lose subscribers over it? I hope not. I don't know. It's a lot. There's complexity to it that goes into this. But I really feel like no matter what they did, there were going to be people that were angry about it. And that's coming from a guy who's willing to admit that, I'm not a super fan. I watched season 1. So that's the disclaimer in there. But I feel like I would have the same position on any show, any creative thing like this, which is like obviously wildly successful, maybe too successful for its own good. These people have invested, 8 years? I mean, it's 8 seasons. I don't know how many seasons. It's a long time. People have gone through stages in their lives along with this show. Different relationships they've had, possibly because of this show.
There's a lot of investment there.
Tons of investment. And so it's just hard to wrap it all up. Nearly impossible.